Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing the September Simply Earth recipe box. If you're not familiar with Simply Earth, they're an essential oil company that also has a recipe subscription box. It's just a monthly box that gets shipped to your house with 4 oils and recipes. It's a really good way to get your hands on and use the oils, and they are seasonal. So this month's theme is Everyday Essentials, getting back into your routines and getting ready for fall. So I'll show the oils, the recipes, and everything that comes in the box. If you want to subscribe to Simply Earth, I will have the link down below along with a coupon code. The monthly box is $45. My code gives you $45 back. So it's a really good code and a really good just way to try out the box to see if you're gonna like it. The oils are good quality, they're tested. Everything is good there with quality, and I think you guys will really love it. So first I'll share the oils. You get Bay essential oil and pop them out of the box. This is an oil that I am familiar with. I like the smell of it. I like to add it to cleaning. I think it's a good fall scent too. The aroma is sweet and herbal, and on the back of each bottle will tell you. It's kind of menthol-y actually too. So that's another reason I like to add it to cleaning. I'm wondering what we're going to use it for. It's from the leaves, and it's sweet and herbal fragrance. It's kind of similar to a eucalyptus, if you know what that smells like. This is Himalayan cedarwood. I love cedarwood. It's one of my favorite oils. It's one of the oils that I fell in love with first. Diffusing, not smelling it straight out of the bottle. I don't prefer that. Well, Himalayan is a little bit more sweet, but it's really, really good in the diffuser. Like with lavender, so relaxing. The aroma is dry and woody. On the bottle of this, I do think this one smells a little bit more pleasant than the regular, or just regular, yeah, cedarwood. Defender is next. This is a blend, so you'll always get a blend, and then you'll get a recipe to make your own blend. So really you're getting like 5 essential oils. In this blend, it has cinnamon, rosemary, lemon, eucalyptus, and clove. So it's a really good immune support oil. Very similar to Thieves. It smells really good, and you can kind of pick out each of the oils. Very like eucalyptus, cinnamony. Then the last oil is globulus eucalyptus. So just a variety of eucalyptus, really good, like fresh, invigorating oil. The aroma is clean and herbaceous, and it's from the wood and leaves of the plant. It smells so good. It's so just like kind of medicinal, but really just invigorating is the best word. I like to put this, like a couple drops of this on the bottom of the shower to kind of get that effect going. Eucalyptus is very supportive when you are congested or have any kind of cold symptoms. Next, there are 6 recipe cards. The back is full of information too, so make sure you read the backs of your recipes. This is the Sleepy Bug Chest Rub. This would be a really good one for eucalyptus, so I'm sure that's in it. Cedarwood, no, it's not in it. 10 drops of cedarwood and almond oil, cornstarch, coconut oil. Oh, I forgot to mention too, when you first subscribe, and then every 6 months with your monthly box, you get a big bonus box for free when you use my code, but it comes with extra bottles, empty rollers, coconut oil, almond oil, like carriers that you'll need, so that's really nice too. So to make this, you do need coconut oil, which will come in your free big bonus box. Beauty Rest weighted eye pillow. This is really cool. I've never seen anything like this before. So you're going to use the eye pillow case, which comes in here, lavender buds, which also come in your box, and then cedarwood. And the filling is going to be rice or something similar. So I'll open this and show you. This sounds so relaxing. Oh, and there are... Okay, this is the insert, so this unzips. You fill this with your rice and ingredients, and then I think it just slips into here. It's like a relaxing like eye mask. And these are the lavender buds. I harvest my own from my own lavender, so I have a lot of those. So that's another option you can do too. It's really fun to put those in rollers for added like aesthetic, or like sleep sprays. I like to add lavender buds to that too. Home Defender cleaning spray. So this is really cool. I think I've gotten something like this before. You put the Defender oil, you put a cleaning tablet, which I love these because it is so sustainable. No plastic at all. This is just a little tablet in a little like, I don't know, paper package, and you dissolve this in a 16-ounce bottle, like standard size, like spray bottle, and then you put Defender oil and then distilled water. I've used one of those before. They also make these for hand soaps too. If you're looking for more of a sustainable option for soaps and things and cleaners. Breath of fresh air. So this is kind of like a steam, like literally breath of fresh air. You pour hot water into a bowl and then add the essential oils, and then you lower your head like over the bowl and deeply inhale the steam or oils and steam that are coming from the bowl. It's a really good thing to do when you are not feeling the best. I've done that before with just water, but adding, what oil did it have? Bay and eucalyptus. That's going to be super helpful for congestion. Breathe Deep Roll-On. This one has eucalyptus, bay, and cedarwood, and you mix it all together in a roller, which will come in your big bonus box, and dilute it with the fractionated coconut oil also in that box. So you're making a roller. Labels for everything will be in your box too. So that Breathe Deep Roll-On label is right there. Tops of the bottle, stickers, so that you can, like if you're looking down onto your oils from like a shelf, you can see what they are. And then the last recipe is a diffuser blend. So you'll put this in an empty bottle. It'll be just like this, a 15 ml bottle. You just make your own diffuser blend. So it's Defender, eucalyptus, bay, and cedarwood, all of the oils, and you just add between 20 and 40 drops. The instructions are on here to make your own diffuser blend. So I always love that too. The label is there as well. Oh, and I forgot to show you this. So for the chest rub, they gave you a tube. So once you mix all your ingredients together, and I've made a deodorant out of these tubes before too. This is cardboard, so again, really sustainable. You pour your chest rub mix into here, and then you have like a balm, like a tube of chest rub. It's really cool. It's really good for traveling too. I love that. This is perfect. Like, they nailed it for this time of year. The girls are already congested, runny nose, all of the things, because we've been back to school for a week, and that's just normal, right? So we have all kinds of support with essential oils during this time of year, and I'm very, very excited for it. It's probably the time we are most intentional with oils, the time of the year where we need them the most. And if you have any questions on any of that, let me know. You can DM me on Instagram or leave a comment below. There are certain things that I can't say, and there are some things that I can. So let me know if you have any further questions, because I know I was kind of vague. And if you want to, again, subscribe to Simply Earth, you guys will love it. The link will be down below, and my code is a really, really good code, so make sure you take advantage of that. Last thing, I want to share the value, because it's always way more than the box, which is $44.99. The value this month is $146, so it's an incredible value. That's why I love subscription boxes like this. So if you can't tell, I love them. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you have a great day. Bye.